Welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Today I'm making egg curry, and let me tell you, once you learn this recipe, you will not stop making it. The spices, the sauce, the egg soaking up all that flavor, it's unreal. This is one of those dishes that looks like it took hours, but really doesn't, and it hits every single time. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it step by step. Let's go. For this recipe, you'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1 large red onion, diced, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 small tomatoes, diced, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi, salt to taste, 1 green chili, and 4 tablespoons of oil, and then cilantro leaves for garnish. All right, so this dish is great because it's a 1-pot dish. So we're gonna turn the heat up to medium-high, and we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of oil, about that. And we're gonna wait for it to get hot. All right, so now that the oil's been heated up, we're gonna add our cumin seeds. All right, and the cumin seeds will bubble up a little bit. And then we're gonna add our garlic and ginger paste. And just cook this for like 30 seconds till it's fragrant. And then we're gonna add our green chili and our onion. And then we're gonna cook the onion until it's translucent. All right, and now I'm gonna turn up the heat to high. All right, so now I'm gonna add the tomato since our onion is translucent. And I'm gonna add the salt. I'll start with a teaspoon. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it down to medium and cover it for a few minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna add my tomato paste. And I'm gonna stir it. Now I'm gonna add my turmeric powder. This in. And now I'm gonna add my curry powder. And stir again. Okay, now I'm gonna cover it again, and we're trying to get this to a paste consistency and see more of the oil and get the water evaporated out of it. And I wanted to mention, when you cover it, leave it on medium, and you want to keep on checking it. You want to keep checking it so it doesn't get burned. Okay, so while our curry is cooking, we're going to score all our eggs. So we're just going to use the tip of our knife and make 3 slits in one direction across the egg. You don't want to crisscross it because otherwise the egg will fall apart. So just make it in one direction. And this helps the flavor get inside the egg. Okay, so now you can see the oil has been separated from the curry. So we're gonna add our eggs now. And then we are going to stir for a few minutes so that the flavor gets inside of the eggs. Okay, so I wanted to mention that if you want to, you can add water at this point. Okay, and so when you turn the heat off, that's when you add your Kasuri Methi. And it's ready to enjoy. And now I'm going to try it. And that is egg curry. Told you, absolutely incredible. If you make this, you're going to impress yourself, I promise you that. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, and I'll see you in the next one.